Look at how overgrown this place is. You can't even see the space that I opened up there to put the second raised bed in trying to colonize the space. Look at this. It is so overgrown. I don't even know where the path is to go there. I had to drag my compost bag along, and come here because we need to fix this here, and we need to put these guys in there. But yeah, coming through here, no, put it down, Baba, put it down. Coming through here is crazy, as you can see. Look at Mdeni. These boys, you hardly can see them. Under normal circumstances, when it's not this overgrown, I'll come from there straight like this to here. But today, I had to go a little bit like down and up. And anyway, need to take the weeds off here and put in compost. Look at this. This looks like a worm, but I don't know what's this on it. It looks like a tiny little snake on it and ants. This is a huge worm, which tells me that this soil is fertile. What's this? Jeepers. What's going on here? What are you?
He was in the place and then it was here.
What's going on?
Daddy, what is going on with this?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to see also, my boy, what's going on. But this looks like a tiny little snake that is trying to munch on this worm. Yeah, it is a tiny little snake.
I don't know
this
what
one.
His name.
I was trying to munch on the worm.
Oh.
Jeepers.
Oh,
This is crazy.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Meal.
Yeah. Throw this out there. Hey, stop screaming when.
What happened, Daddy?
Okay, and we'll try and bury this guy. I don't know if he's still viable.
Daddy.
Okay, he saw a bug. Okay, it's fine. Right, we need to get these weeds off and get on with putting the peas in here. Right, we've got the 2 bags of compost in. Now I need to go get the chicken manure bag that we're going to lay before we lay this compost. We have to lay the chicken manure, and then we have to lay the compost, and then we have to put the peas, and then here, once we lay the chicken manure and the compost, we put these guys in, and then we can close this thing up and yeah, hope for the best. Okay, Danny, hello, I'm going to get the chicken compost. Okay, wait for me here. Okay, I'll be back just now, my boy.
I'll hold it for you.
What, you wanna hold the phone? Okay, I don't mind you holding the phone. I'll give you the phone just now so that I can go get these bags, the chicken compost bag. Okay. Alright. Okay, here you go. Now you can take a video. Now it's recording. Need to take these guys out. Right. And then we need to take this guy in. And we need to do this. This is chicken manure.
Oh, I love chicken.
Across here.
I love chicken manure.
Yeah, this is chicken manure we're spreading before we put the compost in. Then after the chicken manure, we'll put the compost in.
Oh, I can see myself.
You can see. spreading it indiscriminately in here.
Oh, now I see a small.
What?
Now I see a small.
You see?
Smaller.
Let me see. Huh, okay.
Oh,
Right. Now that we have the chicken compost in. Romy. Okay. As you can see, we've laid the chicken manure, chicken poop in. You know, we've laid the chicken poop in indiscriminately so. Now we're going to lay the compost in here. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of ants here. I don't know how to get rid of them because I don't want to use no chemicals. But there seem to be a lot of ants here. And I don't know how bad they will be for my peas, you know. But let's put the compost in now. Let's get the compost in so that we can carry on with putting the peas on. Wonder if this net is not too much of a shading thing for this garden. No, when the sun is up, there is enough sun that comes through on this net. But this net, with the sun setting that way, it is worrying me that it might be shading too much. We need to get this guy all over around this bed so that we ensure maximum sunlight in here. Okay, Denny, you're gonna go back and hold the phone. Right, we've got the compost. We've got the compost, 2 piles of compost. I don't think it will be enough though. Now I'm just going to use my garden fork to lay it. I think I might need to go get another bag of compost inside the yard, because this doesn't look like it will be enough. Anyway, but yeah, we've got the compost. We've dumped the compost in here. Let's lay it and see how this will go. Let's lay it and see how it will go. That's how far we went with the first with the 2 bags of compost. So I went and I fetched the 3rd bag of compost. So let's see if we're going to be able to cover everything. My goodness, this work is challenging. It's not easy at all. Okay, let's get on. Let's get this bag in there, lay it over that chicken manure, and see if we can put the seeds today. Maybe we might have to come back and put the seeds tomorrow. This compost seems to be quite very wet, which is because it has been sitting outside and it's been raining a lot these days. So let's put it in and see. Alright, the whole bed is now covered with compost. There's chicken manure underneath this compost, and then there's compost on top of chicken manure. And now it's time to put these bad boy guys. It's time to put these guys on. Yeah, it's time to put these guys on. Let's get on with that mission.
I'm not gonna put it.
You won't be able to help me, my boy, because if you go in here, you will step on the soil and you will compact the soil. You will put right here at the entry level. Is that fine?
No.
You don't want to put at the entry level?
I'm joking, I do.
Okay, all right, Baba. Okay, I'll give you some seeds, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go on. Let's do this.
Yeah.